Once your poll questions have been created, sign into the session as a moderator and go to Session Settings. Now on the Session Management page, click Add Live Content. I'm using a Windows PC, so I'll select Windows PowerPoint. If this will be your first time adding live content slides to your presentation, I like to say that our goal is to create a conversation between the computer that's being used to present the PowerPoint slides and the live content slides that contain our poll questions. So in addition to downloading the live content slides that Conferences.io will create from our poll questions, you'll also want to make sure the PowerPoint add-in has been installed. If you're not sure the presenting computer has the add-in installed, click the link in the description for more information. I've double-checked the PowerPoint add-in has been installed on my computer, so I'm ready to click Download All Live Content Slides and open the PowerPoint file. These live content slides don't look especially impressive, but it's important to know that this isn't what your audience will see. If we look in the notes of one of the live content slides, there's a bit of text that includes a code, and it's this code that allows the presenting computer to recognize this slide as being a live content slide. The first live content slide downloaded from Conferences.io is instructional, and the second is included if you'd like to display a social Q&A in your presentation. The remaining slides are our polls, and if the session included the Team Battle quiz game, a slide would be included for that as well. In my PowerPoint presentation, I've created placeholders or setup slides, so I know where each poll question should go. To add the live content slide, I'll simply click and drag it into my presentation. Or, if you prefer, you could also copy each live content slide and paste it into your presentation's slide deck. To test them out, I'm going to open an incognito browser and navigate to the session as an attendee. And in PowerPoint, I'm going to use Presentation View. As I advance to each live content slide, the poll is open to attendees automatically, and when I'm ready to advance to the next slide in my presentation, the poll is closed.